In this tutorial, we will take a look at how you can speed up a clip in DaVinci Resolve 20. So here in DaVinci Resolve 20, make sure you're in the Edit option here at the bottom. And then when you select your clip, go on top of here and go to the Inspector window. And in the Inspector window, make sure you're in the Video option here. And when you go down a bit, you can see the Speed Change option. When you click this, you have several options you can use. You can choose the direction in which you want to change the speed. And you can change your speed here. You can change the frames per second. You have pitch correction and variable timeline. So do be sure that when both of your video and audio are connected, when you speed up the clip, the audio will also speed up. So you can unlink them, but first let's just take a look at how you can speed them up. In the speed change, here you will give in a number by, say you want to speed it up twice, then you give in 200 and you press enter. And as you can see, our clip has now been sped up. You can also say you want to speed up 3 times, then you say 300, and you see the clip shortening because you sped it up. Now, we also sped up our audio, so let's first Ctrl-Command-Z to undo these changes. And then what you can do is select the clip and then either right-click it and choose Link Clips here to unlink them. And if you now select your video and you speed up your video, as you can see, your audio won't be distorted and won't be sped up as well. So yeah, in the Edit tab and the Inspectors tab, choosing video, you can speed up your video in DaVinci Resolve 20. Let me know in the comments below if you liked the video, like it if you did, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.